Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy.
My name is Mazara, and I just wanted to make a short video to say thank you to Dream and D-Ray for the awesome class that we did today on Advanced Mental Alchemy Spiritual Hack. It was unbelievable.
Peace. So let's talk about the spiritual hack class that I was just a part of.
That was going on. Smartest Champion just took the mental alchemy class. Hey, I just want to thank both of y'all for that info.
Peace, fam. I had to get on here and just shout out my sis D-Ray and Dream on their amazing course that they did, Mental Alchemy. My partner and I attended yesterday. We've attended some other courses taught by D-Ray and Dream, and as always, they're life-changing.
You know, they taught us that we can actually hack into our own spiritual mind. You know, we hear about hacking into a computer, but not realizing that our mind is a computer that can be hacked in and, you know, activate and retrieve information that's there and that's hidden that can help us, you know, in our everyday life. And that class was just so unbelievable.
Very, very informative. Got a lot of different techniques that you can use to, you know, really tap in. If you're feeling blocked, certain things that you can do to tap in, like
the healing mantras, the auto suggestion, that fiber, you know, the home to altar, the deities, like putting the deities and the affirmations into geometric.
Just different tools and tips, techniques to really tap into the magic of our subconscious mind, and be intentful in pretty much everything that you're doing, to be able to use the magic to create and manifest your heart's desires in ways that you couldn't even imagine.
You know, they talked about our mind is the real play of causes and effect. You know, we talk about perception, belief, and knowing, and also knowing that knowing is a higher vibration than belief. We learned about symbols and sigils and gematras and all of these things that can assist us in our everyday life. So, you know, I want to say thank you so much.
Sigils, sun gazing, just to name a few of the things that was, you know, we discussed. But it was very informative class.
You know what I'm saying? Just connecting this to get that back up. It's like right where I need to be. Right where I need to be. Shoot, scrun, and yeah, I can't. Shoot, the March champion always floats with swords. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna have some motherfucking fun with that shit. It's like an implosion.
I've taken one of their courses before, which was Make Manifest, that was talking about finances, and it really helped give some fundamental ideas as to how we can manifest our money here in the physical realm. So I really appreciate it. And, you know, I got a chance to find out about Dream and D-Ray's page when I was looking for someone to decode Lovecraft Country last year. And even though there was many people out there decoding it, but when I came upon Dream Wise's page, somehow or another my spirit resonated with this couple, and their teaching opened up, you know, like channels for me where the understanding started flowing in, and I'm so grateful for that. And because of that, you know,
License plate ritual, the crystallized election, having a clear magical thought. Thank you for making everything, you know what I'm saying? Breaking it down. Concepts that, like.
And because of that, you know, I watched the videos and I got got a chance to sign up for D-Ray's Womb Alchemy class. And I will tell you, if you're a female out there, if you're a woman out there, you would want to get sit in D-Ray's Womb Alchemy class. She teaches you everything, all the power that we have within ourselves as a woman and as a female, as a goddess. You know, someone that's coming from someone like myself who had, you know, a lot of trauma in my life, you know, pertaining particularly from family, you know, for years. And I tell you, taking that course with D-Ray, it was a course of about 4 to 5 weeks every Sunday, about 3 to 4 hours, and she would pour her heart and soul into it and was teaching us everything that we needed to know. So I really appreciated that. Because of that class, I started signing up and I did a couple of private sessions with her. And I tell you, since then, a lot of those blockages that I had from, you know, family trauma started chiseling away. And I will give credit that, you know, in addition to doing work myself, you know, I'm about a 95% healed, and I am so grateful for meeting them. So I recommend, you know, if anyone wants to get their life in order, you know, Dream and D-Ray, they're really, you know, awesome people. You know, you can give this as a gift to yourself or give it as a gift to someone, you know, maybe have a female who may be going through something, a loved one, a wife, a girlfriend, you know, a cousin, you know, give it to them as a gift, you know. And sometimes, you know, we tend to buy, you know, food or buy flowers or take someone to dinner, but this would be a great gift to give someone that will, you know, stay with them, you know, for the rest of their life, and not only stay with them, but help transform their lives. So I just want to say thank you so much, Dream and D-Ray. I really appreciate the course we had today about learning how to hack into our mind, our spiritual mind, and look forward to other courses to come. Thank you so much.
So I am so grateful to have attended and just kind of just soaked in some of this knowledge and this wisdom that I know is life-changing for us, and I know it'll be life-changing for you. So if you're thinking about it, tap in, get in.